Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's now the Blaze's Quest event, and we're here with the Mewtwo. So we're gonna do this quickly. I'm gonna grind pretty hard for these Mewtwo's because I really want a shiny or even a hundo. But let's just see how this Mr. Mewtwo decides to turn out. Maybe it wanted to be good. I think you want 2387. It's 2310. That's not good at all. Not as good as the other one I got last time. But maybe it'll be shiny. Come on, Mewtwo. I can end this. I don't have to waste any more passes. Just be shiny, please. Yes, that means we need to try to catch it. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's just catch this quickly. Again, all the candy will be needed. I need to actually put the phone down here to throw. I want to hit it like that. Come on, attack already. Doesn't want to attack. There we go. It's going to be a tough one, isn't it? Oh, darn it. That's called being greedy. And that was being greedy there. Stay, please. It's a Mewtwo. You can do it. Again, if it runs, it runs. This is not a... I don't know why that didn't hit the thing. Okay, then. You're gonna be like this if you too, then. Gonna throw really far. Okay. Wow. Come on. I waited for another hour getting this Mewtwo. Just stay in your home. Come on, I got 3 balls left. Don't do this to me. I'm just a YouTuber with 30 subscribers. You can do this, Mewtwo. Look at that, great throw. 1, 2. Oh no. Is this like the last ball? Uh-oh. The second last ball is the best catch rate. So let's hit the grate. This might be it. Nope. Should I? It's just a Mewtwo, but I worked hard getting this last one. Remote rig pass, everything. If it goes, it goes. Great throw, best I can say. 1, 2. Oh, thank gosh. Oh, wow. Last ball Mewtwo, but it's almost the floor, too. At least we got it. Jeez, that was too close for comfort. I'm now out of raid passes, meaning I need to buy more. But yeah, we do have the Go Past Blanche's Quest for knowledge. But before we do that... Yep, I managed to actually get a shiny Larvitar, so... We're gonna evolve it all the way to Tyranitar, of course. Because it's my favorite Pokemon, so of course we're gonna evolve it all the way. Look at that Pupitar, cool shiny. Get it to the Dex too. Now we're gonna evolve it all the way to Tyranitar. And there's our shiny Tyranitar. It has the wrong moves, but there we go. Well, now we're at a passes, so. Galarian Zapdos on the first spawn. We got a Galarian Zapdos here. 1145 CP, so it's not that high. Hey. Don't, the internet was logging here, so let's put you guys down here for a second. Let's see if we can actually get this. So, here we go. Galarian Zapdos, we have Dialga's Roar of Time activated. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, darn it, I butchered that. Bad throws, catch legendaries. Goodbye. Okay, yeah. That's fine, it's gone. And that's our first Galarian Bird in today's Galarian Bird grind. We're gonna grind pretty hard for those Galarian Birds today. That's one. Let's see if we can get more. And then it's also the Branch's Quest of Knowledge event right now and Go Fest, so. I see a raid over there. I'm heading to Galarian right now, so pretty much. Yeah, so let me give you some heads up on Mega Mewtwo. So Mega Mewtwo is not a super mega raid. It's very windy too, which is good for the Galarian Zapdos. But Mega Mewtwo is not loadable, first of all. Oh, that was also the hundo. Wow. Oh, I thought that was another Galarian Zapdos. I'm like, again? Hey, we got one Galarian Bird on today's grind. Not shiny. Let's see if we can get a second one. There's a Lunatone. That's cool, I guess. If I can click it. I'm catching everything just because. Why not? So, yeah, today's our Galarian Bird grind. I popped Dialga, so we should have plenty of time to do these raids. But again, I do have to go shopping. So that's why you probably hear money jingling. I have to go shopping soon, so let's see if we can get another Galarian Bird on the straight line walk, but I do have to turn pretty soon. But yeah, here's a Ralts. Already got the shot of shiny of this, so don't need it. So, Mega Mewtwo cannot be remotable, and it is not a super mega raid. It is, I think it's called an ultra mega raid, which is crazy. So, it has over 100,000 CP, especially Mega Mewtwo Y. I don't know what's going on here, but there's dirt everywhere, there's rocks everywhere, there's diggers, I don't know what's happening. I'm not going with the pain for, but got dirt in my eye because there's literally dirt everywhere. Alright, we're gonna cross here. Head to that raid, I'm pretty sure. I've really never been on this street before, so it's new. Oh, there's a Mewtwo. Oh, that's my buddy. Okay, got a little confused there. I'm like, a wild Mewtwo. So yeah, Mega Mewtwo is over 100,000 CP. It is ridiculous. Yeah, Mega Mewtwo is over 100,000 HP. And there's no shields, but there is at the end. Once you get to like about 15% HP left, it will block you and you need to raise your phone in the sky like you're taking a picture. So it's a little wonky, but you have to do it twice, and then when you catch it, you cannot use berries. And it has a guaranteed background, which is pretty cool of that, but nothing wants to stay in the ball today. So it's interesting. So I'm just gonna take this little shortcut I found here. Then I have to go to Sophie's after, so I got a lot of walking to do. But there's there's about 8 minutes on the raid, so I might have to go to there first. And then I'll go over back to that raid. I don't really know what's in the raid. Again, I could just wait there, but... So yeah, Mewtwo shields are a bit crazy. So yeah, if you want to battle Mega Mewtwo for shields, first of all, it's at the end, and then once you catch it, you have to do the same thing by holding your phone in the air again. So, Mega Mewtwo is a little crazy how to catch it, but it's pretty fun. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get something. Now I'm pretty much back home. I got my stuff, I got my candy, I got my gift card so I can buy more Mewtwo's. Yeah, we do have some of the Go Pass to complete quickly of this Go Pass. So let's just claim all the rewards. Get all this stuff. We got Poke Coins too. That's amazing. Is that too? And 919, that is way off the hundo. Holy moly. You want like 1,002 or something. I don't want to miss a Galarian bird. Okay. Pretty much, yeah. So that's the end of this grind. We got a Mewtwo, we got a Galarian bird hunt. Everybody knows what's gonna happen for Mega Mewtwo now. So pretty much the next grind, we're gonna do like 20 Mewtwo's. Yeah, just to see if we can get a good one. So pretty much, thank you guys for watching this one, and see you guys in the next Mewtwo grind.